As you can see by the title, today I am coming to you guys with a haul, a Gucci haul. Hey, what's up guys? If you're new here, I'm Mykia and welcome to my channel. I know I'm looking a little different today. I got braces. So if I stumble over my words, just please bear with me. I'm still trying to get used to this whole little thing. I feel like I'm always making like crazy faces, or when I talk, it's just a whole lot of going on. So, you know, just bear with me. As you can already see by the title, today's video is going to be a Gucci haul. Yes, I couponed some Gucci. I got some Gucci items for some amazing prices, and I know all you fashion girls and fashion guys are gonna be like, oh my gosh, when you see my haul. But yeah, I got some good stuff, y'all, so I just can't wait to show y'all. So let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. So off the top, I'm a true US 8.5 in women's. Every pair of slides that I'm showing you guys today, I got in a size 39. So a couple weeks ago, I was just scrolling on Instagram and I saw a few fashion bloggers that I follow post, oh my gosh, run, DSW has Gucci. So of course I hurry up, I run to the website. In the search bar, I type in Gucci and literally like 15 items come up. Y'all, when I tell y'all, this was literally like 40% off retail, maybe even some 50%, actually yeah, 50% off retail. The prices were so amazing, and of course everybody was snagging everything, so stuff was saying like 2 left in stock, 1 left in stock. And y'all, I lucked up and I was able to get the blue Gucci Pursuit slides. So the first day of DSW having Gucci, I was one of the lucky ones to get through and get a pair of slides, and I got the blue men's Pursuit sandal slides for $129. Y'all, this shoe retails for $320. And this is my order confirmation. I can't scroll up because my address is on it. Oh, there you go. But as you can see, yeah, I snagged these for $129. They were $137.79 after taxes. So this was an amazing pickup for me. I was so happy about them, so geeked about them. Since they were men's, I went ahead and I got a 7. Well, actually, it was only like a 7 and 11 left when I checked out. So I just hurried up, checked out in a size 7. Fingers crossed, praying they fit. And they were too big. They were too big, y'all. They were too big. And I was going to try to make it work because the price was so good. But I went ahead and ended up selling those. So in the next coming days, DSW released more and more Gucci items. So the next day, I was able to snag the correct size, which was a 6. However, the price went up. So I'm guessing once DSW found out that everybody was like so happy about this DSW Gucci connection, they jacked the prices up. The first day, as you can see, they were $129. And y'all, the second time that I went to order, y'all will not guess how much these slides were. I'm gonna show y'all. They went up to $199. Like, really Gucci? Really DSW? I'm not even gonna say really Gucci. Really DSW? Like, after y'all see that they actually selling and people buying them, y'all gonna jack up the prices like that? So the second day I went ahead and as you can see, I ordered a 6 and they were $199. I ended up having to pay $199. But I went ahead and sold my first pair for $199. So I kind of still got them for my original price, which was $129. But on the second day, I was able to snag another pair, and it was the pink Pursuit sandals. Y'all, they were $199 also. And that one, I was not taking no chances with the size. For them pinks, I was like, oh, I'm getting a 38 and a 39 because I'm going to fit one of them. And I actually can fit the 39. The 38 is for sale, so if you're interested in purchasing a size 38 in the Gucci pink Pursuit slides, holla at your girl. Just DM me on Instagram or Facebook, Twitter. All my stuff is below. I wasn't the only one that was able to snag a deal. Of course, when I see good stuff on Instagram, I share it with my family and my friends. And my mother, she was able to snag a good amount of things. I'll insert pictures or video clips right here on the screen. But my mom, she was able to get some brown Gucci heels Those were very cute. She also got some sneakers, like some sneakers with strawberries on them, Gucci sneakers. They were really cute. She ordered 2 sizes in those, and I could fit the second size. So tell me what y'all think about them. Do y'all think I should keep them? Should I buy them from her? Or like what should I do? My boyfriend actually was able to snag some things too. He got some Gucci sneakers. I really love these sneakers. They look so cute when he wore them. And again, I'll put the pictures up on the screen. And he was also able to snag the blue Pursuit slides too for himself. Of course, they were men's slides to begin with. So I just can't even believe DSW had Gucci, honestly. They had some actually really good pieces. And the prices were very, very, very good. Starting off, the prices were amazing, and then the prices, as they slowly increased day by day, I was like, all right now, DSW, like, y'all trying it. I saw shoes go from $199 one day to $399 the next. Like, that's just a crazy, ridiculous increase, and I'm not here for all of that, okay? But the things that I did snag, I feel like they were very good purchases. One, because Gucci slides rarely ever go on sale. I haven't really seen them on too much of a sale unless I go to like a Bloomingdale's or Saks, and they had that little promotion where you get like $100 gift card back, or you get $75 back. But that's in Bloomingdale's credit, or, you know, like, it's not Gucci. So for me to be able to get some $320 slides for $129, I definitely think this was an amazing pickup. This was an amazing deal, sale, coupon of designer items. But DSW, I ain't here for that price increase overnight. I'm just not here for that. Y'all was doing good with the prices before. Now y'all getting a little crazy. I know throughout the video I've inserted pictures and short clips, but I'm just gonna do a full show y'all everything. So the first item is the pink Pursuit pool slides. And they just have Gucci. And I actually have a size 38 in these for sale. So if you guys are interested in a size 38 in these, they would be perfect for someone who wears a size 7.5 in women's or 8 in women's. But here they are. These are actually my favorite pair out of the entire haul. One, because of the colorway. This white will go with so many things. These are actually a size 38, so they're cutting it so close on me. But I paid the least for these. I ended up getting these for DSW. Hiked up the price of these to $249. But I had DSW rewards. I had $100 in DSW rewards, so I ended up getting these for $149. So I just feel like for $149 I should really keep them, because they were just literally like damn near free. So I don't know. And here are the blue pool slides, and these are the size 6 that I had ordered. These are the men's. These ones are my mother's shoes. The sneakers that she ordered, I think these are so cute. Tell me if y'all think I should buy these from her. These were actually $390. Retail, these shoes are literally like $900 and something. Like, so girly and cute. And these are my boyfriend's shoes. They're like a cream color. On camera they're coming off white, but they're like off-white. They're cream with the brown. So, and the other shoe has like a star. Hey Tom, how much was these? How much sneakers. Any day now. That's the price that's after taxes. These were $4.50. And when I tell y'all the first day that I sold these were, I want to say like $3.99. So he got them on like the second or third day, so they went up to $4.50. But I still think they definitely were worth the $4.50. They're cute. They cute. $4.50 a lot though. I already know what y'all thinking. Like 3 sides Mykia, really? That's excessive. Like, did you really need that? And the answer is I didn't. Like, I didn't. You didn't need that. I don't know what's wrong with me. When I see a sale, y'all, I just go crazy. Like, I just love a good deal. Like, I just love a good price. Like, I already have a pair of Gucci slides, so I definitely didn't need 3 more. But the price was just so good, I felt like I had to get those. It's something wrong with me. Pray for me, y'all, please. Ain't nothing wrong with me. I'm just addicted to couponing. But what would y'all do? Would y'all keep them? Would y'all return them? Would you sell them? Like, what y'all think? What's y'all opinion? So I got a really good video coming for you guys. It's a shopping haul. Y'all know I'm a coupon queen, right? But I also coupon designers. I got a Gucci haul coming. So stay tuned. Y'all won't believe where I got this stuff from. If you're not following me on Instagram, what are you really doing with your life, you know? So go ahead and click the link in the description box. It'll take you right to my Instagram page. So you'll get the behind the scenes of my YouTube videos. And my Instagram link is in the description box. Or leave some comments down below. Share this video with your friends, your family, your cousins, your mama, everybody. So that is the end of my DSW times Gucci haul. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave some comments. I love when y'all comment. So just engage with me. Y'all my sisters, y'all my family, and I love y'all. And until next time, guys. Peace.